India has recently formed India has recently formed a sub-working group SWG with which country to promote the co-development and co-production of house tech weapon systems for exporting them to the other friendly countries. Israel. Israel successfully launched new spy satellite OFAC 16. Benjamin Netanyahu secured fifth term as Israel Prime Minister. Uttar Pradesh partners Israel to resolve the Bundelkhand water crisis. TCS banks to power Israel's first fully digital bank. India and Israel sign agreement to expand cooperation in cyber security. India holds webinar and Israel on defense industry global outreach. Israel and United States successfully tests an advanced missile defense system Arrow 2. US Israel joint military exercise Juniper Cobra 20 cancelled over coronavirus. Israel's capital is Jerusalem. Currency is new shekel. President is Reuven Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Which organization will develop the positive pay system for check truncation system and as announced by RBI? NPCI. NPCI in News 2020. NPCI launches UPI Chalega campaign to promote UPI. Blockchain-based Vajra platform launched by NPCI to secure payments. NPCI rolls out AI Virtual Artificial Intelligence Assistant PAI. NPCI launches omni-channel loyalty platform Nth Rewards. NPCI launches its subsidiary firm NPCI International Payment Limited (NIPL). NPCI approves WhatsApp to expand its UPI project 10 million users. NPCI to set up a 500 crore rupees data center in Hyderabad to handle digital transactions. About National Payment Corporation of India (NPCI), founded in 2010, headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. MD and CEO is Dilip Asbe. The former Union Minister Jaswant Singh, who has passed away recently, had held with which of these portfolios? All of these. Defense Minister, External Affairs Minister and Finance Minister too. Rajnath Jaswant Singh had served as the External Affairs Minister, Defense Minister and Finance Minister of India during the Prime Minister of Atal Bihari Vajpayee's cabinet. When is the International Day for the Universal Access to Information observed globally? 28 September. The theme of our 2020 Access to Information, Saving Lives, Building Trust, Bring Hope. When the World Tourism Day observed? 27 September. What is the theme of the World Tourism Day? Tourism and Rural Development. Shikhar Basu, who has passed recently, was the former chairman of which of these organizations? Central Vigilance Commission. CVC, Central Vigilance Commission, founded in 1964, headquarters New Delhi. First chief is Nitur Srinivasa Rao. Chief is Sanjay Khotri. Vigilance Commissioner is Rajiv Kumar and Sharad Kumar. Who represented India at the informal meeting of the SAARC Council of Ministers 2020? S. Jaishankar. South Asia Association of Regional Corporations (SAARC), founded in 8 December 1985, headquarters Kathmandu, Nepal. Member country is Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. 8 member country. The positive pay facility will be made available to the customers by banks in case where the amount of check is dash and above 50,000. The government has sanctioned dash electric buses and for 241 charging stations to boost the electric mobility in the country under the FAME2 scheme. 670. Faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicles in India scheme was launched in 2005. Country's apex regulator of medical education, National Medical Commission, comes into existence, who has been elected as the chairman of NMC, Suresh Chandra Sharma. A static GK based on the current affair 28 September 2020. World Rabies Day is commemorated on the death anniversary of which scientist? Louis Pasteur. The day also marks the death anniversary of the French chemist and microbiologist Louis Pasteur, who developed the first rabies vaccines. Recently, Saubhagya scheme completes 3 years since its inception. Saubhagya scheme aims to ensure the electrification to all households. Positive pay system will be implemented from in 1st January 2021. Fifth, elephant deployed of various tasks in the Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve are on a unique week-long picnic these days. Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve is in Madhya Pradesh. Water level in Stanley Reservoir or Mattur Dam reaches 100 feet. Stanley Reservoir is associated with which of the following rivers? Kaveri. Stanley Reservoir, also known as Mattur Dam, is located in which states? Tamil Nadu. Belgaum Airport is also known as the Sambhar Airport. It is based in which state? Karnataka. Where is the headquarters of United Nations Industrial Development Organization located? Vienna, Austria. Winchester Cup is related to which sports? Polo. Which city is called as the land of black diamond? Asansol. Thank you.